Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I think I'm gonna show y'all my 2021 lawn care setup. So let's start with the blowers. I do everything ego, y'all. I'm fully battery operated. I got 4 batteries. One is a 5.0, and I put the dates on when I purchased them, and also was manufacturing date on it, and what the number is, which battery order I had got them in. So the first one's a 5.0 amp that came with that blower, and then the number 2 battery, it came with some other tools that was on 319. Here's another 2.5 amp battery. You can see it right. Yeah, 2.5 amp, and then another 5.0, and that came with a with the multi tools. And then we got another blower right here, y'all. I use this mainly for you know, doing our plant beds and stuff like that. I forget to blow something off. And then we got another battery operated edge trimmer, weed eater. So I like this baby a lot. It's super quiet. A lot of y'all take y'all guards off, but I leave my guards on. I tried it with the guard off. I just like it with the guard on. It's just preference, you know. Everybody got their own preference. And then we got the extension articulating head bush trimmer. So you know, we got that. So that's a combo unit that goes with that edger. And then we got another bush trimmer by Ego as well. So we got another one of those. So you know, we doing it nice. As far as the edger, guys, honestly, I probably only use this maybe 2 times. I'm a big fan with the string trimmer versus edger. That's just me. That's just my preference. And then we got the Echo gas trimmer, 225. I know a lot of you guys got the big boy, you know, I think it's the 226 or 262, whatever it is, but this is all I need. I believe, for me, my personal preference and experience is that if you got the right type of string, it makes a world of a difference as far as weed eater. And you know, so much power, you don't need but so much power, but I like that 225. It does me fine. It's light. It's what I like. So that's just my preference. I thought about getting one more powerful, but I don't need to. Once I put that different type of string on, I've been using it for about 3 years. Sorry for the airplanes, but it works out fine for me. All right, so let's get to the lawnmowers. All right, so here's a Craftsman 22-inch surf propel. I actually got this lawnmower, guys, from one of my old tenants. They no longer is with me right now, but they gave me this lawnmower. They was moving out of state, and they said they don't have no yard, so they said I can have it. I said cool, appreciate it. And then here's the Power Smart 22-inch. It got 200 cc's on that bad boy. The only downside about this is that the surf propel is slow, but that thing can pull. I mean, it can pull some heels, but it's slow, and that's the only downside I don't like about it. But the cut quality is good. I mean, that's the lawnmower I use to cut my yard, so I don't use any of my other lawnmowers to cut my yard. I just use that one. Plus it gives me like a little exercise and workout. So that's just me. And then here's my other baby that I love, my Toro Time Master 30-inch. This is the home grade one. This is not the commercial use. I love it. I made a video on changing out the blades. This one got 223 cc's. No complaints. For me, for simplicity, what I did was I took the owner's manual, and we have, you know, the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So I just, based on the height, you know how it comes up and go down, you know, that's just me to know exactly where I'm setting it at. And, you know, in the back, it got the same thing, A, B, C, D, E, F, G as well. So most of the time, you know, I cut most of my yards either on between D and B, depending on how high they want it. Hardly ever go up to A, but mainly you're looking at the C to D range for my customers. And then here's the latest addition, my baby right here. This is the Toro Pro Line 48-inch hydro walk behind. For me, I don't need to sit on. I don't want to sit on. This is catered to my lawn care needs, and this is what works for me. I am going to take this off and go ahead and just put me like a little block right here, just to keep the grass from shooting out everywhere. But it is nice. I love it. I got it January of this year. I already done started lawn season, so you can see I only got like 2.4 hours on it. So I definitely been using it. I done it, let's see, 5 yards so far with it. So it works out great for me. And you know, that's the shed where I keep everything at. I'm not gonna show a trailer today. No need for a trailer. You know, I mean, what else that's so special about a trailer? You know, got racks and gas tanks and cans and all that. But you know, just mainly to show you guys the equipment. Definitely go with battery, guys. If you can, stick with battery. It's quiet. You just take it out, charge it, and keep it moving. And I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions about any of the equipment, just let me know, and I'll definitely let you know my opinion on it. And peace. Y'all guys stay safe. Make that money this year. Save your money. Invest your money. And enjoy your money. All right. Peace.